CLT Henry coming back with another video. As you can see, I'll go and tell y'all what's going on. So everybody already know in Atlanta this weekend, it's about to go crazy. Srtbree is throwing a big old meet Saturday. And I think we found another meet to go to Friday night. So we heading in there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Me and maybe like 8, 9 other cars. We're about to go down there heavy, real heavy. But right now, I done got packed up and all that other stuff. But I'm getting the car pretty much situated with all the stuff I need to be able to clean the car whenever I get down there. The car is clean right now. Me and Russ did a ceramic coat on this side of the car, or the black side, the wrap side. So that should be protected. But I got the bra, hold on, let me flip this camera around. So y'all can see I have the bra on the front of the car. That's what I'm riding down there with. And that's why I bought it. I'm gonna see how well that does tomorrow. You see the wheels are completely cleaned. You see the little shine. It is satin, but it still has a kind of little shine to it. I got everything inside the car already that I need packed up. But right now, I'm trying to get everything situated to where I can clean the car when I get down there. Everybody know I mess with chemical guys, but Jack's Wax has been my go-to recently, but I haven't really got no Jack's. I got some stuff, you know what I'm saying, but I need more Jack's Wax stuff. Hold on, let me turn that back on. Close this and open this back up so I can get some more light. All right, cool. So this is gonna be the ceramic detailer for the black side of my car. The wheel, like the tire shine right here. The hyper coat, that right there. This right here is the speed white for, you know what I'm saying, the detailing of the car after I wash it pretty much. I got some window cleaner, which this, I've used it all, but this is water, 3-to-1 water and alcohol. That's for the windows. And then I have a whole bunch of microfiber rags for when I do wash it. But I'm about to go wash some more rags. I think I'm gonna take this down there with me. So if I have to go to like a car wash type, I can just spray the car down and use my mitt to get the bugs and grease off the car from that 4-hour drive. And then this is some non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. This is gonna be a must. So I got that. I got a little, you know what I'm saying, a little scrubby brush. And this is another, might be like a drying rag. This is one of my drying rags. And this right here is one of my drying rags, which I'm about to take 2 of these, but I'm gonna take them in the house and wash them so they're fresh. But I mean, the car is pretty much set, bro. So tomorrow's gonna be crazy. A whole lot of footage coming up this weekend, so stay tuned with that. I got a lot of stuff I can take down there, but I don't want to take too much because at that point, I'm just taking the whole freaking detailing kit that I got. But I'll show y'all the car. If y'all haven't seen the new wrap on it, go check that out. Y'all see there's tires right here, so this weekend might be kind of heavy, bro. These tires are actually good, so I might burn them off down there just to get my name out there. See, I got the new banner. So it's about to be crazy, bro. And the wrap shop did correct all the little issues that I had on my wrap with no issues, bro. So I'm gonna have to put up a video soon on the stuff that they actually fixed. If you see the video I just posted up, I think it went up today, but I'm putting this one up tomorrow. So go back and look at my channel. I put up a video to where they had like some little wrinkles in the wrap and stuff like that, and they actually took the car back for free, fixed all of that with no issues. So big shout out to Pristine for doing that. Real good work. They fixed everything, and I really appreciate y'all. Shout out to y'all. If y'all looking to get your car wrapped, Pristine in Charlotte, I'm gonna put their Instagram down below so y'all can, you know what I'm saying, go look at the cars they wrap. They do some crazy work, and big shout outs to them. But this video is short and sweet, bro. Y'all seen what I'm using on my car. This is what bruh, I'm so excited for this weekend, bro. It's about to be insane down there, bro. Like heavy. Srtbree, y'all already know who that is. He mad heavy down in Atlanta. Hopefully I see a whole lot of other YouTubers down there. If y'all going down to Atlanta this weekend, you know what I'm saying, comment down below. About to be crazy insane, bro. So definitely hit me up, bro, so we can link. I'm trying to be outside all weekend, bro. All weekend. So definitely hit me up on my Instagram. YouTube, I rarely check that, bro, but my Instagram, COT Hemi. Y'all can see it down there. COT Hemi. Hit me up, and we'll definitely link, bro. So that's it for this video. Real short and sweet. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, bro. Let's get the Instagram, let's get the YouTube jumping like crazy, bro. So I'll catch you on the next one. And, bro, stay tuned for this weekend, bro. I'm already letting you know, bro.